Hi, this is Steve. My wife is the Note Connectors. She's awesome. This machine was a stamping mill. The round thing would turn, the cams would rotate, they would raise up those heavy things, and some big round heavy steel things would get pushed up and down and smash ore as it went around, creating a fine powder of crushed ore that they would run through another machine over here to separate the ore from the stuff they were looking for, the gold that was in the ore. This thing would turn and the ore would get rolled around with shot lead and make it even finer, and the bad stuff would get separated from the good stuff.